Hey guys, this is Patrick Powers. This video is for Objective-C2, Week 3 for the July 2012 class. So what we did this week was we created that date planner application and learned how to use the delegate to be able to pass the information from that we've basically written in and stored from one view controller to the other view controller to then post it there. And using the XIB files to do so as well. So basically running through my code, this is the viewcontroller.h, basically just setting up the IB outlet for the UI text view right here. The NS string, event string that basically helps with the string that is created or the delegate that gets passed back, and I've got a variable for that string. And then the action of add event click right down here is to add that other event. So jumping over to the .m file. So here's the add event. All it really is doing is basically creating an instance, the add event page, and then actually presenting that page. Also have the did close, which is once you actually add the the strings, which in this case is going to be the event name and also the date. It collects it, and when you close the second view controller, in my instance or case it's the add event, it then goes into this function, which then checks really quickly to see if all the events go here, which you can see right here. If that's the text, then it replaces it with the new text, and if it's not that text, then it means there's probably another event already listed, and then it creates another event below that particular event. So when you click on add event, this is what pops up. So going into the add event.h, the header file over there, this is the action to actually save right here, declaring that. The close keyboard, the on change is when you change this actual date. Where is it? The date picker. And then these are some variables that I've created to actually use. Here's the .m file. Starting from the top, let's see, here it is, close the keyboard. Really quick and easy, the resign first responder for that action. Here is my on change, so when I actually change this, it is calling this function, which is updating the date picker. Make sure that the minimum date, if you can see, can't go past to the back date. It'll actually kick it right to today. And then it basically formats that date to the way that I'm going to store it into this current date. Once I have typed something into the event, what I've done is created the save button. So on the save, it creates the current event, where up here I have the current date as this. It formats the date picker to the current date. This is the text field of right here, gets stored as the current event, and then basically I am combining both of these into one string, and then we are kicking it back to that did close function on the original view controller by using the delegate. So let's say it's a birthday. Close the keyboard. Let's say the birthday is tomorrow. It's a birthday party at 6:45. Click save, and it goes ahead and marks it right there. Add another event. Let's say this is a party. Close. That one's going to be in a couple days. Save, and you've got both of those listed right there. What could I have done better? It took me a while to figure out the delegate. Having to go back to the videos, I ultimately found the video from a previous week actually that really helped to set all that up. I need to have a better idea conceptually as to exactly how that works. I was able to follow along with the video, so I was able to do it and it worked, but I think I really need to go back and truly, again, like I said, conceptualize, but learn and be able to better understand exactly how that works. Also, one thing I did is when I was going through, I actually changed the name of these to add event controller and add event controller here. I actually decided to change them back because I just did, and then I keep on having this warning, and I can't figure out how to actually make it go away. But all that warning is it says add event controller, which again I changed this to say add event controller.m, but then I changed it back and it's still wanting to know where this existed. So it's not causing any break in the overall building of the app, but it continues to persist and I don't know how to get rid of it. But anyway, that's week 3. See you guys in week 4.